Yeah. Lazy Young Star. Lazy. I heard niggas out there, they talking shit, man. Niggas getting a little older for this, man. Check me out. Same niggas on the block talking shit. Same ones getting hit with the clip. Run off at the lip. Yeah, I'm burning at your tip. Hold on, take that glass, that sip. Then I ridicule your shit. Hold up. That fresh nigga. That fly boy. That's Young Star. We up in Fly Toys. I can't argue. I can't lie. I admit to God that I'm fucking fly. I'm sued as hell. I'm up on you. I figure out you ain't worth who. I come to your crib, lay down your crew, then move to your family, then kill them too. We at the funeral and yeah, we get it cracking everywhere. We get it smacking. All my homies in the trap.
What?
And we love that fucking
Turned
rap.
up.
And everybody listen to this. Young Star in this competition. Everybody else is missing.
What?
Hold up. Just listen. Everybody is in this.
Swerve.
And yeah, we
Swerve.
are in this.
Swerve.
In this
Swerve.
to win this. Drinking that Guinness. Sipping that Henny. I don't know. I fuck with bitches like Cindy, Wendy, Kimmy. Hold up. Yeah, roll up. Hold on, Young Star. We about to take these niggas and fold up. Yeah, they dead. Frog ass niggas.
What?
Jump the rope.